We want to add this key to a 2020 Honda. As you can see, it does not function right now, no noises. It is a push to start vehicle, so we will go with that function. Honda Odyssey, push to start, yes. Next step will be we'll just scan the vehicle, make sure everything's good. As you can see, everything is normal, so we'll go to add a key. We'll start. We currently have both keys in the car. We'll say okay. Ignition switch is off. Let's turn that off. Take our learned key, we'll put it inside the car. We'll place that right there. We'll take our other key and put it outside. We'll take the new key, bring it inside. New key. We'll say okay. We'll put that down. Perfect. Key has been added to the vehicle. Now we will go through the sequence. Turn the ignition switch off. Ignition switch is off. Turn the ignition switch on. Push it 2 times. Make sure all the lights are off. All the lights are off. We'll say yes. Turn the ignition switch off. Ignition switch on. Registration is complete. Turn the ignition switch off. We'll make sure that all the keys work in the vehicle. So we'll take our first key, our new key that we just added. Test it out. As you can see, it now opens and closes. So that's good. We have our original key and we'll test it out as well. Let's close the door. And that works as well. We'll go ahead and turn the ignition switch on. And our process is now complete. Key added to 2020 Honda Odyssey.